Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which part of the digestive system is responsible for the absorption of vitamin K? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Liver. So the correct option is C. Large intestine. Which digestive enzyme is secreted by the salivary gland and starts the breakdown of starch? A. Amylase. B. Pepsin. C. Lipase. D. Lactase. So the correct option is amylase. A is the correct option. Which organ produces bile, which is essential for the digestion and absorption of fat? A. Pancreas. B. Stomach. C. Liver. D. Gallbladder. So the correct option is liver. C. Which structure prevents the backflow of stomach content into the esophagus? A. Pyloric sphincter. B. Lower esophageal sphincter. C. Ileocecal wall. And D. Anal sphincter. So the correct option is B. Lower esophageal sphincter. Which type of cell in the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor? A. Chief cell. B. Peritoneal cell. C. Mucus cell. D. Goblet cells. So the correct option is B. Peritoneal cells. Which condition is characterized by an excessive production of stomach acid and leads to the formation of peptic ulcer? A. GERD. B. Peptic ulcer disease. C. Gastritis. And D. Appendicitis. And so the correct option is B. Peptic ulcer disease. Which digestive system disorder involves the inflammation of the lungs of the stomach? A. Crohn's disease. B. Ulcerative colitis. C. Gastritis. And D. IBS. So the correct option is C. Gastritis. Which component of the digestive system is primarily responsible for water absorption and the formation of feces? A. Small intestine. B. Large intestine. C. Liver. D. Pancreas. So the correct option is large intestine. B.